Hey guys, welcome back. This is our final installment of the Texas Hills bike build with Lyndall Brakes. We have wheels, rotors, and a pulley going on. We're doing it in the back this time. Let's go check it out. So along with the Lyndall Brakes install we're doing today, we also have a bunch of product from Figurati Designs. We have their magnetic transmission dipstick in gloss black, as well as the accompanying oil dipstick, gloss black, magnetic base, and their brand new reusable magnetic oil filter system. So the cartridge inside comes out, it's completely serviceable, you put it back in, done. Last oil filter you'll ever buy. So for the rear wheel setup, we went with a stock size rotor, 11.5x6, and we have a pulley setup for this. So this is all OEM fitment. We did go up to a 17-inch versus the 16-inch that comes factory on the bike, but this will bolt right up to any 22 and up Lowrider S and ST. All right, let's see. That pulley looks so good. It lines up perfectly with it. I think I'm gonna get them to make me one and go back from chain to belt again. We decided to go with a 19x3-inch front rim. This is a 5-spoke rocker design, dual disc. Again, everything OEM fitment, everything aligns perfectly. And Lyndall wheels can be built out for TPMS systems. So this is already installed for it. Everything's good to go. It'll bolt right up with a stock size tire.
I like how these wheels sit a lot better and how much more of a gap it shows with the rocker wheel. It's nice having the pulley. I have this wheel on my other bike as well, and I love this wheel because it's so easy to clean and it just looks clean. I'm excited to test it out.
These wheels are so precisely machined, so well built. Paired with a good tire, they'll come up on 0 9 times out of 10.
The whole experience working with Cowboy has been great. Billy, Jess, Nate, Brian, hanging out with all the guys, coming here, hanging out at the dealership a lot. It gave me a different experience with the dealership than just showing up and buying parts and leaving. I built a couple friendships. Me and Nate have been friends for a really long time, so that was very natural of Natural Nate to build my bike. But the whole experience was cool, being behind the scenes and doing everything with the guys. I had a lot of fun.
So the build's finally coming to an end. We've been doing, man, so many different things on this bike. With Lyndall, with original garage moto, with Fox suspension, with Trask, with custom dynamics. We've gotten the opportunity to put a lot of cool parts on this bike, all in a controlled environment, to be able to show you guys, talk about the parts, see how they'll fit on these models right out of the showroom. It's been a pleasure working with all these companies. So final checks on this assembly for this bike is we're going through the rear wheel alignment because we removed it. We're going through the belt tension on it, as well as reprogramming the new TPMS sensors that are inside the new wheels.
Bike's done, I'm fucking out of here.
No, do that again.
All right, bike's all done, Lyndall wheels are on, the stance is perfect, the wheels look great. I finally got to sit on it with the suspension and with the front end raised up. I like everything so far. I'm really excited to get out and ride. Everything feels awesome. Thanks, Cowboy Harley.
And thank you guys for tuning in, watching this 6-part episode with us. We're super excited. We're going to do a full review of the bike for the next episode. Stay tuned.